Okay, this is our new channel, and the first channel we will be teaching how to speak Punjabi. Punjabi. And we're going to start by learning to count to 10. And we're going to start with the 1 and 2. So, right here, we're going to need 3 things. Go ahead. The first thing we're going to need is a blank piece of paper. Da, 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 da. Second thing we're going to need is a pen or
a pencil.
And the third thing we're going to need are, what are those called? Scissors. So scissors. Scissors, yeah. Scissors. So we're going to start counting to 10, but in the first episode, we're going to practice 1 and 2. Okay?
No.
Scissors. So, we're going to teach you how to count to 10, but we're going to start with the very basics. We're going to count to 2. So, how do you count to 2? Do you know how to count to 2? Yes or no? No. Okay, so no. He does not know how to count to 2. So, 1 in Punjabi is ik. I-K is 1. See? I-K in Punjabi.
Okay.
Okay, so this is terrible lighting because this is our first video and our budget is minus 4,500. And so, can you get that in view? 1 is ik. I-K. And 2 is do. You know, like Homer Simpson, he goes do, but it's do. So 1 is ik, 2 is do. So how are we going to get this into our memory? Well, easy. We're going to write it on a piece of paper, and then we're going to take that paper and cut it into 2 slips. Okay, so now we have the 2 slips of paper. Ik, I-K, like ekki, and do, 2, like do, but slower or faster. Do. So you have 2 slips of paper. So what you're going to do with these 2 slips of paper is you are going to get your shoes and, don't laugh, it sounds silly, you're going to get your shoes and stick ik and do onto your shoes. We're at the final stage. What you do is you take the number 1, ik is this side, and you put it on one side of your shoe, and you take the number 2, do, which is on the other side. And then what you're going to do is all day long, every time you step forward, you're going to step forward with
Your
ik. And then your second step is do. And then you go ik, and do, and ik. And lift it up, and take a look. And by the end of the day, all day of walking, when people will be like, you have some paper on your shoe. By the end of the day, you will be able to count to 2 in Punjabi.
guys, no wait, and we know this is a dumb idea, but we don't know, so we might take a retake, and this is just gonna be our first try. Like, you know how like they have like videos like that, so yeah.